Hello everyone. Before we dive into today's topic, remember this content is not financial advice. Always consult a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Today we're taking a close look at managing housing expenses, a major key to financial well-being. We'll explore tips to become a housing expense management pro, from tracking spending to embracing energy efficiency, negotiating, and beyond. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Managing housing expenses can be a walk in the park if you know the right strategies. Let's dive right in. First on the list is tracking your spending. Awareness is the cornerstone of financial wellness. Whether you're jotting down expenses in a trusty notebook or using a sleek budgeting app, the goal is the same. Know where your money is going. From rent or mortgage payments to utilities and maintenance fees, every dollar counts. Next up, we're crafting a realistic budget. Think of this as your financial roadmap. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making informed decisions. The 50-30-20 rule is an excellent place to start. Allocate 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. But remember, this is just a guideline. Don't be afraid to tweak these percentages to suit your unique circumstances. Our third strategy is to negotiate and compare. Yes, you heard that right. Negotiating rent is not off the table, especially if you're a model tenant. Do your homework and know the average rental prices in your area. And don't forget to shop around for the best utility deals. Lastly for today, let's embrace energy efficiency. Small changes like switching to LED bulbs or adjusting your thermostat settings can lead to big savings over time. You'll be surprised how much you can shave off your utility bills. With these strategies, you're already halfway to becoming a housing expense management pro. Ready for more strategies to tackle housing expenses? Hold on to your seats. Strategy 5 is all about maintenance. Just like you wouldn't let a small cavity turn into a root canal, it's important to promptly address minor housing issues. Leaky faucets, flickering lights, or a finicky fridge might seem inconsequential, but left unattended, they can escalate into costly repairs. Regular maintenance of your heating and cooling systems also ensures they're at peak performance, saving you money in the long run. Next up, Strategy 6, roommates. Sharing rent and utilities can drastically cut your housing costs. But choosing a roommate isn't just about splitting bills. It's crucial to find someone who shares your lifestyle and financial values to avoid any potential conflicts. Strategy 7 takes us into the realm of alternative options. Depending on your life stage and priorities, you might find housing solutions like house sitting, pet sitting, or co-living arrangements to be budget-friendly alternatives. These options can offer flexibility, unique experiences, and a chance to save money. Lastly, Strategy 8 reminds us that managing housing expenses is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Regularly review your budget, track your progress, and adapt your strategies as needed. By being proactive and mindful, you can truly take control of your housing costs. And there you have it, 8 strategies to help you get a handle on your housing expenses. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Becoming a housing expense management pro involves tracking your spending, crafting a realistic budget, negotiating and comparing, embracing energy efficiency, staying on top of maintenance, seeking roommates strategically, and exploring alternative options. Remember, this is an ongoing process, but by staying mindful and proactive, you can take control of your housing costs. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay savvy.